Now it's time for our main event here at Ignition.
Now, making his way to the ring, from New Orleans, Louisiana, weighing 238 pounds, Butterscotch Lightning!
Butterscotch Lightning waiting to reenact his rematch for the TCW Men's World Title. We still have a couple rematches that have yet to be enacted.
And his opponent, from your local comic shop, weighing 338 pounds, he is TCW's favorite superhero, Super Ray!
Super Ray has also not yet enacted his rematch for the US title. But right now, him and Butterscotch Lightning have to put the thoughts of regaining the championships aside because they're going head to head in our main event here. Butterscotch goes right to work with a snap suplex. Oh, and raining down right hands on Super Ray. Grabbing the elbow across the chest. Ray creating some separation with the knee. And then bringing Butterscotch up. Oh, and a choke bomb. And going after the left leg. Butterscotch giving it all he's got against TCW's favorite superhero with a Russian leg sweep after a flurry of lefts and rights. Super Ray though, oh, with a thunderous clothesline. Oh, and the choke bomb again. Ray stepping up over the top rope. Springboard Hurricane Rana from Super Ray. Ah, I think I had a burp while I was trying to say that. Big left hand from Ray. The referee got knocked over. Over the screw slam, but Ray shifted his weight, causing Butterscotch to fall, and Ray is still in control. And now Ray raining down the right hands. Springboard Phoenix Splash from Super Ray. Jawbreaker, and a big wind-up right hand takes down Super Ray. Super Ray, though, quickly recovers with a back body drop. Oh, and the alley-oop toss. Jawbreaker by Butterscotch, and the Russian leg sweep. Trying to mount a comeback. Side headlock on Super Ray. And a running bulldog plants TCW's favorite superhero. Running forearm. And another one. Ducks. Oh, into an overhead kick. Oh, he went for the crackling kick but missed. And Super Ray got a vice-like grip on Butterscotch's head. And then just tosses him down. But a drop toe hold reversal. And Butterscotch Lightning is standing tall. Now he's on the apron. Now he's waiting for Super Ray. Oh, wait! He got caught! Choke slam! And the cover! And Super Ray thought it was a 3. I thought it was a 3, but Butterscotch got the shoulder up. Dropping his weight on the lower back. Super Ray still in control until Butterscotch hits the dragon screw. Takes down Super Ray and into the single leg crab, but the rope break. But it slows down Super Ray's momentum. Going after the arm. Snap, crackle, pop! The snap, crackle, pop! And Butterscotch Lightning picks up the win! What an impressive back and forth match between these two! But Butterscotch Lightning is victorious tonight! And this has been TCW Ignition! Thank you so much for joining us.